Hey vlog camera, wearing high heels was not a good idea.
Bye. This is freaking crazy. I love it.
It's the greatest time of year, and it's here. Help me celebrate.
Vlogmas day 13, which is honestly insane that we are now more than halfway done Vlogmas. My my appearance is a little crazy right now because my hair needs some dry shampoo and some brushing. My makeup's fully done. I put on fake lashes today, which I don't normally do. Thought I'd test it out. I'm packing to go. We're going to one of my best friends, Shannon. Her mom has a concert today, so we're gonna go watch her sing, and we're running late, so I need to pack.
It's a Friday night, it's a small town girl, everything is right, and we rule the world. 212s in the truck backbeat, bunch of rock stars on the river. Oh yeah, in excelsis Deo. Reindeer, you can say it goes. All of the other reindeer used to have to call him reindeer. They never forget old Rudolph's reindeer. Join in any reindeer reindeer. All the Christmas Eve, Santa came to say it, Santa.
Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Rudy, 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 Rudy.
Let's have the reindeer left.
Hello, I am with Shannon!
Hey.
It's been a while since you've been in a vlog or a video.
Yes, it's been a long time.
It's 4:20 and we're currently...
Ironic, sorry.
4:20 blizzard. We're walking to the end of the pier. We're gonna take some photos because I always need to take photos and she's just a great model. And your
Yeah,
outfit's
I'm
so
a
cute
great
today.
model.
She is. I feel like they've seen your photos and they always turn out nice. Yeah, but we're walking. Exciting.
I'm Michaela.
She'll totally see this too. Like one person who watches my vlogs. I didn't tell her to say that, Michaela, just so you know. This doesn't even sound like it. It sounds so much
Got on a
different.
pair of cheap shades, I'm probably gonna lose.
Oh my god, this is the end.
Dug a hole in the sand with some kid's toy. Now I'm kicked back in it like a lazy boy. Got the radio right, I'm lounging hard. Take a picture of me, put it on a postcard. Hey, I'm on vacation. I'm that for these overachievers. I'll just sit right here on the breeze. Excuse me, honey, can you get my shoulders, please? Hey, I'm on vacation.
Hey vlog camera.
Friday night, it's a small town girl, everything is right, and we rule the world.
Wearing high heels was not a good idea.
It's 4:45 now, and these photos, not to toot my own horn, but they turned out freaking amazing.
They did, and
But
I'm
like-
a fabulous model.
Yeah, you need a good model. And it's always funny because when I take photos of my friends, I can never really give them directions because like I'm just not good at that.
I basically just giggle and she shoots.
Yeah, and then they look candid, and they are candid, and they look good. Well, it's always like a half fake giggle and then turns into a real
and then I'm
giggle.
like, and then I try and put on my modeling face.
But these ones are kind of like borderline more sexy. I'd say.
Yeah, I would agree.
They're really cool. They're like,
It's the knee highs.
and like this coloring right now, it's just so gray and foggy, and we are way at the end of there. And we're very excited to see how they look. I'll edit them on the train home. Ew, I'm all dirty. I fell. Like with my camera in my hand, I just wiped out. And Shannon was like, oh my god!
I literally thought she like broke her leg or something.
We were good. I almost just fell in the lake down there. That would have been great. Okay, we're going out for supper with our fam jams because it's Shannon's mom's birthday.
Woo!
Let's go.
Sing it, oh, 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 everything, everything we want.
Bye. So it is now 7:35 and my train gets in 10 minutes. I'm currently in the train station bathroom. My mom just dropped me off as you saw, and I'm going to edit some photos and maybe study a bit on the train. It's only about a 50-minute train ride in, and then like a 10-15 minute subway ride, so I should be home by 9 at the latest. So excited to see my roommates, and not excited to study, but I can study until like 10 or 11 or 12. Then I'll go to bed. My exam's at noon tomorrow, so that's not awful. And today was a good day, and I'm excited to show you the photos I took of Shannon because they turned out beautiful, and it was nice to see her because I haven't seen her in a bit. And we're not people who keep in touch a lot when we don't see each other, but we pick up exactly where we were last time, which is really nice in a friendship. And yeah, okay, I should go so people don't think I'm the weirdo talking to myself in the bathroom. I'm now on the train, and it's kind of loud today. Like, I'm the only one in this area. There's a couple people up there, but there's like nobody on the train. The train itself is just loud. And I'm listening to Sam Hunt's acoustic sessions or something. It's called, oh, I'm dropping my laptop. It's called the Between the Lines acoustic mixtape, and it's really, really good. I really like it. And I'm going to go through the photos I took of Shannon and give a second test at Lightroom. So here's just, it's really blue toned. It's blue in person, but it's not this blue. Here's a little look-see at the keepers. So I'm gonna try editing these and see how they turn out. And if I can't use Lightroom, I'll go back to Photoshop, but I have 50 minutes to kill. So it is worth a shot. Yeah, I'll show you guys some updates later. Am I gonna stay balanced? Vlogmas! It's 9:30. I got back at 9 o'clock and I got 2 packages. Oh my god, this is heavy.
Vlogmas.
Shannon! They did an awful job photoshopping this girl's hair. Whatever, I can have blonder hair now. Yay! Hey Catherine, you're our favorite muggle. XOXO ColourPop. They give you a handwritten note. That's so cute.
Don't they know that the American word for muggle is not muggle?
What's the American word for muggle?
The American word for muggle is no badge.
No match?
Yep, as in a person who does not have magic. No magic, no badge.
Whoa, they're so liquidy.
They're not lipsticks, are they?
They're liquid lipsticks. Wow! Which one should I try first? Blue?
Brown, because then once you put the blue on,
It will stain my lips. True. Okay. Oh, I didn't read the instructions. Make sure your lips are dry and bare. Add lip pencil. Nah. Okay, I did a really crappy job of putting this on.
Is that the brand?
Yeah.
It's cool.
I think I need hair down for it though. And like a dark hat.
No, I like it. It's working.
It's interesting. I think I could pull it off in the winter.
Yeah.
Laura, look at our brown lips.
Well, that looks good.
It's like not good lines though when you're up close. Oh, it works. Okay, I'm gonna try blue now. I don't know where I'm gonna wear the blue one. Oh, it's really on there.
Amy's no idea.
Okay, here's the scary one.
Oh my god.
I can't tip this, I feel like it will spill.
I know, I was like, don't pour it on your laptop.
Oh my god, it's so blue.
Baby, like, do you get a blueberry? That's not one big blueberry. Wow. That looks good though. I can't like pull off lipstick, so I'm like, well, whatever.
I'll wear this somewhere, like, just
I'd
to be
was
like,
that
ah.
Alan Cummings?
I'm having a real struggle bus. I need to get a Q-tip. Okay, I think that's the best I can do. This is freaking crazy. I love it.
That you give examples from specific
The defense wants to confuse the jury with
instructions, Your Honor. I'm not sure where else to instruct
They
it.
should have their instructions. The Illinois pattern jury instructions. It's a simple matter of intent. What did Dr.
Good evening, friends, and welcome to the end of Vlogmas Day 13. Yeah. It's now about 11:30, and I'm going to edit this, and I have sleepies in my eyes. Oh, what? Sleepies? Is that what they're called? Eye boogers? Boogers? Boogers. I don't know. Gross word. But I'm going to edit this and get ready for bed and do some last minute studying for my exam tomorrow. I'm also going to try on my lipsticks in tomorrow's vlog with natural light, because that will be better. So yeah, this is going blurry. I'm filming in my bathroom because we finally put new lights in, so we actually have light in here because it was pitch black for like 2 weeks. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow.